Welcome to the Core IS. In continuation of this mains answer writing series, next question is: Humanizing landscape can exacerbate climate change and threaten agriculture productivity, water quality, biodiversity, and sustainable development. Comment. Here, to write an answer, first we have to understand what do you mean by, or we mean by, humanizing landscape, and how this humanizing landscape may impact or exacerbate climate change and can threaten agriculture productivity, water quality, biodiversity, and sustainable development. Now, in answer writing, first step is to know exact demand. If we are able to meet this, we can secure 50% marks, and later on our content will work, which will enrich. Humanizing landscape. Humanizing landscape means how our human activities are changing this character of landscape. This could mean land degradation, how this land degradation can be a cause of climate change, can be a cause of declining agriculture productivity, water quality, biodiversity, and sustainable development. Land degradation and climate change, we can think this in terms of degrading landscape and emission of greenhouse gases. And in respect, we can think of REDD and REDD plus. In answer writing, first point is to underline the keyword, and through keyword we have to decipher what is demand, and after demand, to diversify our answer and to have an edge with our competitors, we have to bring various dimensions, and these various dimensions, we need not go for each topic to study that book or that book or that notes. We just have to think what we can link, which we have read in our prelims while doing preparation of prelims. So here, land degradation and how land degradation may lead to climate change. You can think of declining character of that landscape like deforestation and how it is leading to this climate change. How land degradation may accelerate emission of greenhouse gases. Similarly, land degradation and agriculture productivity. Here you can think in terms of salinization, alkalinization, or degradation of land and declining fertility, and how this is leading to agricultural productivity. And this land degradation is humanizing because how human activities are impacting that agricultural land. Similarly, land degradation and water quality, how we are removing the upper layer of land, or how we are doing mining, because mining is also part of this humanizing landscape, and how this may impact this water quality, how humanizing landscape and emission of pollutants on the land, and how this is impacting water quality. Similar to this, land degradation and biodiversity, how degradation of land or declining fertility of land may lead to loss of biodiversity, and this biodiversity and sustainable development can be linked together, and in sustainable development we can link sustainable development goals. So structure of this answer will be, first, through the help of data we will show that landscapes are humanizing and how humans are impacting that landscape in this Anthropocene era. Like 1/3 of land has been degraded. After this, we will attack one by one each of these. This can be one structure, or after giving definition we can include all of these in one go in a paragraph format. But in the point format, this question will be suitable if you have a more points, and in this question we will have a more points because we can link our environment study which we have read in prelims in each of these topics. Here right now our focus is not that content, what should be the content, our focus is demand and how we can structure. In answer writing and in UPSC preparation, candidates forget that they come here to clear the exam and not to gain knowledge. But in this process, they trapped into knowledge activity, and they forget that they come here to clear the exam. So here in this question, we need not think that first we will have knowledge and then we will be able to answer this question. We will be able to answer this question by just linking our prelims topic here. Like I am giving just one example, like we can link climate change with one Kyoto Protocol. In Kyoto Protocol, land use changes is one of the activity which we can link here and can say that this landscape degradation is leading to climate change. Similar to this, we can link other topic as well. Like we can link land degradation and how we are doing mining and how Aravalli region is seeing desertification and how this is seeing the impact, and that desertification and removal of forest and no carbon capture, and this is leading to a vicious cycle, and then this is a climate change. So we will come up with next question. Thank you.